When we analyzed the data today, we saw and noticed that for last 7 days, 180 districts in the country have not seen a single new case. Till now in the country we have had 2,18,92,676 cases overall, out of which 1,79,30,960 have recovered. As on date today, we have 37,23,446 cases which are active in the country. For 3 days in a row, we are getting more than 4 lakh cases per day, and in the last 24 hours, we had again 4,01,078 cases. However, one satisfying point is that in the last 24 hours, 3,18,609 patients have simultaneously recovered. Also, when we analyzed the data today, we saw and noticed that for last 7 days, 180 districts in the country have not seen a single new case. 18 districts have not seen a single new case for last 14 days. 54 districts have not seen a single new case for last 21 days. And also 32 districts have not seen a new case for last 28 days. One data which we have been analyzing over the last 1 year has always been about the percentage of people who ultimately had to go to oxygen beds or to ICUs or for ventilators. So that data almost remains the same throughout the year. And as on today, 0.39% patients are on ventilator, 1.34% required ICU admission, and 3.70% required an oxygen supported bed.